Hi everybody, welcome to my class this year. I'm so excited to have all of your children in my class this year. So for this tutorial, we're just going to kind of go through my classroom website. And I use Weebly, so the website is elcraig.weebly.com. So when you type in that URL, you'll come to my bio page, so you guys can just read through that. Kind of look and learn a little bit about me. So we'll be using this in a lot of our subjects, but for right now, I'm just going to go through the social studies tab that I have. So it'll have a drop-down box that you could navigate through that if you need to, but also if you just click on social studies, I have the first task available, and you'll know which task throughout the year, which one they're working on. So you'll just click on that button, and then this will take you to where the standards are and what topics we're going to be looking at. And then it also includes the instructions. So you can follow the buttons either in order, out of order. Just make sure they cover each one. So I'm going to click on the first one, which is states. And we're just learning about the states in the United States. So for like the first part, you'll explore the map, and then anything that doesn't have a video or a picture underneath, you'll click on what the bold underline is, and that will take you to that link. And then they can just watch a short little video to go along with it. And then when they're done, they can just click on the button down below to go to the next topic. And they'll just do that throughout. And then once the students are done, they can go to either the leveled questions and answer the Google form that I have created, or they can go to the note-taking to review. So I have two kinds of notes that I did that they can kind of use if they want to make their own notes. I just chose the U.S. region topic to make some Cornell notes and my doodle notes. So that is also a reference for them to use. And then when they're all ready, they can go to the leveled questions. You just scroll down and answer these. And if you, as parents, are wanting to help them as well, or the student is wanting to check their answers, they can also click here, and it'll tell you there will always be 6 questions that have an answer, and then the last 3, they're more of opinion type of questions or longer response questions that I will need to grade specifically. So there isn't a set in stone answer for those. So, and then like I said, as the year goes on, more tabs will open up, and you guys can navigate through that through most of our lessons that we do. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and contact me. Thanks.